understand the news. Anytime there can be boots on the ground and market can dump more. So market doesn't believe the administration anymore, right? So we were bearish right at the open. Your bias is bearish and you look for the pops to short. And you see once that level breaks, SPY level 637, 563, once those levels break down, you short it. Follow the levels, find your risk level, take a position and hold your short bias on the market. So I talked about how the profit taking was right. Profit taking shorts at the open on the gap up. From that short, we faded beautifully. And what was VIX doing it? Do not forget the VIX. VIX gives you confidence to add short or stay short. If VIX pushes over 30, you add short there. You stay short as long as VIX holds 30. So the first move is into 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m. So we flushed. After 10 a.m., we went into a chop. So that's a 10 a.m. concept. So we cover our initial short. That's how you see a lot of the traders were already locking their profits there on a lot of things, QQQs, SPX. Already they were doubling their money because we were shorting there. So then when we go into chop, we don't do anything. If you try to play the curls, be careful, get out, take a loss. But then once this started to break down, I got on the voice. I said, VIX is breaking out. We're going to flush. So this was the morning VIX breakout. This was the second VIX breakout. VIX holding the clouds. Stay bearish. This is your 30-minute bear flag right here. Boom, boom, boom. I got on the call. I told the traders this is a 30-minute break bear flag. We're going to go lower on that. We were also watching the GEX level. Initially, we were chopping. But as soon as I saw that 64.40 calls and they were all in profit, we were selling the calls over VIX 30. We were staying short. You can see there here I'm making a 60% here. So that was your short, guys. Always look at a bigger time frame, and this was the gap. Understand the gap. So you got to be ready. Cloud is your risk. Every time you trade, you need a risk. So literally trader turns $1,000 into $3,000 today, and that's more than enough. Even if you short 100 shares on QQQ, you short in the morning 566, you make $400. Risk with $100. You short later, you risk $100, $200, you make $600. So that's how you want to trade, guys. Put options went crazy as well all day on QQQs. If you like to trade QQQs, morning went from $1 to $2.50. Later midday went from that $2 to the $7 because you got to hold. Once cloud is holding, this tells you it's a nice bearish trend. And that was my step-by-step guidance to short it. Once we failed this, then I told the traders to watch 30, and then we broke out over 30, and then we went on to fail and the short all day. So when that happens, you could make money with a lot of other things there. So beautiful day. We usually don't talk about P&Ls and all, but I was sharing today that how I was making money. This is my way. I was selling calls, but it was a profitable green day. So very profitable day. Most of the room was done early in the morning. There's nothing wrong with it if you're nervous about this market environment and you just want to wait. Just don't lose money. Don't go long. If you can't short, don't go long. Don't try to chase the chop in FOMO if you miss the morning shorts. So that was the guys, SPY QQQ, trade for living.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.